Hey there, it's Mike here, and along with the help of my wife, we're going to be taking a look at the ThermaCare heat wraps. This is the advanced neck pain therapy. So it's designed specifically if you've got any muscle pain on your neck. They also say wrist and shoulder heat wrap as well. So it's a smaller size for those different areas of your body. It's a one-time use. What happens with this is when you open this up, it will immediately start working. You just apply it to where you want it to start working on, and it starts working instantly for you. Now they do say here they have some warnings. If you're 55 years or older, you should be careful about this. You don't want to wear it while you're sleeping. You want to check your skin while you're doing it as well, because I mean it is going to heat up on you. If you start to feel uncomfortable from it, you want to be careful about that. We've never had any issues with it. These are you can see where you can apply it on these different places, like on your shoulder like that, or on your wrist, or even on your, looks like they have it on your bicep. But these are ones that my wife swears by. She bought these for herself, and she uses it on her neck. So I hope you enjoyed this review.